Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for a particular app that you would like to share as APK from your Android phone to Telegram. For instance, I'm going to use this particular app right here. So go ahead and click on hold down. Then go ahead and click on share. Go ahead and click on Telegram. Then from your Telegram contact right here, go ahead and choose a particular contact. So I'm going to share to this particular contact right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on send. Then you have the app share as APK right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.